Walt Disney Animation Studios is proud to present Les Mondes de Ralph.
Bonjour, c'est François-Xavier de Maison. Je fais la voix française de Ralph Lacasse, qui est le personnage principal du prochain dessin animé des studios Disney, Les Mondes de Ralph. Je suis à Los Angeles pour rencontrer toute l'équipe qui a créé le dessin animé et même la voix américaine, John C. Reilly. Donc je suis très excité et je vous invite à me suivre.
Hey, there he is. Hi, Francois. I'm Rich Moore, director of Wreck-It Ralph. Welcome.
Thank you,
Welcome
Rich.
to the Disney Animation Studio. Well, would you like a tour? Can I take you inside and show you where we did the magic? Let's go check it out. Here it is, a statue of Ralph. Just to check if you're, perfect for the part, if maybe you could kind of strike this pose.
Je vais tout casser!
Ooh, he's good. You're pretty good. I think we have the right man for the job.
Moi, j'ai plus envie d'être un méchant, moi.
So I like the world of games, and I thought this is a great world for a story to be told, but with a very, very human, individual story at the heart of it. So that's where it all started, and I think that's great that you really have a great understanding and angle, on that. You're really feeling, where he's coming from.
Bienvenue à la gare centrale des Jeux. Les voyageurs à destination de tous les Jeux, attention au départ.
I'm Clark, so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
We're going to go to 4 very different worlds in this movie. We're going to start in the world of Fix-It Felix Jr. Now, when we first meet your character, Ralph, he's having a bit of an existential crisis. He's been doing the same job for 30 years, and he's beginning to wonder if there isn't something more to life than just wrecking stuff. And this sets him off on a journey, and what he thinks is going to solve his problem is if he wins a medal. But he's got to figure out, where am I going to win this medal? So he goes to the second world, and that world is called Game Central Station. It's kind of like a train station where after
it makes Grand Central in New York.
Absolutely.
The architecture.
In fact, it's exactly what it was modeled after. From the world of that, we go to the world of Heroes Duty.
Yes.
It's a big modern first-person shooter game. That'll send him to the world of Sugar Rush. It's a big racing kart game set in the world of Candy. It's in this world that Ralph is going to meet his match in Penelope von Schweetz.
Et ils sont où tes collègues?
Ah, il y a que moi aujourd'hui.
Ah d'accord, donc tu parles de toi au pluriel.
This is really the core of our story, kind of the emotional storytelling, where these two are going to come together, and Ralph is going to be this big brother to the little sister. And I think this will be the big surprise of the movie. I really feel like people will come in thinking, I'm going to go see a movie about video games, and it's going to be a comedy. And I hope we deliver on both those cases. I think we do. But to me, the surprise is the emotional core of the story, and it really is about Ralph and Penelope and their relationship together. So that's kind of the story of Wreck-It Ralph.
Listen, I try to be nice. You're mimicking me. Okay. That is rude, and this conversation is over.
So what?
It's that easy. It's that easy.
C'est comme ça, okay, it's like that.
So you just do that, but with a French accent.
Okay, c'est grossier, et cette conversation est terminée.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
That's pretty good. I'm scared. That's terrific.
Mwah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I think you're just the
you
man
very
for the
much,
job.
Rich. Thank
I
you.
think you're just the man for
Thank
the
you,
job.
John. Thank you. Voilà, on est de retour à Paris et je vais démarrer le doublage.
Tu t'appelles comment?
Ralph. Ralph Lacasse.
T'es pas d'ici, toi, hein?
C'est un vrai travail d'acteur de donner chair à ce personnage.
Tu serais pas un vagabond?
Non, je suis pas un vagabond, mais je suis occupé, ok? Alors tu files, tu rentres chez toi.
T'as
hein?
dit quoi, là?
On a vraiment essayé d'aller chercher des choses en moi qui seraient proches de lui.
Écoute, j'essaie d'être gentil.
J'essaie d'être gentil.
Tu m'imites là ou quoi?
M'imite, là, ou quoi?
D'accord.
D'accord.
C'est très mal élevé, et cette conversation est terminée.
Ah, d'accord, c'est terminé.
C'est très moderne, que ça raconte plein de choses. Il y a plusieurs niveaux de lecture. Je trouve qu'il y a vraiment une vraie poésie, un vrai discours. Que je suis sûr que ça restera un grand Disney. Et j'ai pris beaucoup de plaisir en tout cas à faire ça.
Oui, c'est un bon point.
Top là.
Top là.